Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you 3 simple and reliable ways to repair damaged slate on a roof. In the first method, I will be patching a hole in the slate. When it is located in the lower wave, you need to thoroughly clean the slate around it using a wire brush. Next, the cleaned area needs to be washed with soapy water. While the slate is drying, take a plastic bottle and cut it to make a flat sheet. The plastic needs to be sanded a bit using sandpaper. After sanding, thoroughly degrease, then apply double-sided tape. This is the sheet we got. Now it needs to be attached to the slide to cover the hole. Firmly press everything against the slate with a cloth. Next, you need to take some kind of container and pour a little gasoline into it. We dissolve foam plastic pieces in gasoline. You get this kind of glue, which becomes hard as a rock when it dries. We use a spatula to spread glue on the patch covering the hole in the slate. We coat everything and wait for the glue to dry. Here's the result we got. Everything is done very securely and now water won't get under the slate. Like the video and let's move on to the second way to repair slate. In this method, I'll show you how to seal a hole that's located on the top wave of the slate. It also needs to be cleaned and washed with soapy water. Next, you'll need a plastic sewer pipe. Cut off a small piece from it and split it lengthwise as shown in the video. Slightly bend the piece of pipe and drill 6 holes along the edges. Now, apply the same glue I made from foam around the hole in the slate. Apply plenty of glue. Then place a piece of pipe on top and press it down well. After that, screw it to the slate through the holes you made. Use wide head self-tapping screws to press the pipe tightly against the slate and prevent leaks. When tightening the self-tapping screws, you can see the glue squeezing out along the edges. This way, it fills all the gaps. And this is the result after the glue has hardened. Everything is done very securely and your roof will never leak. Now let's move on to the third method. The third method of roof repair is the most difficult. The hole is very large and it can't be repaired using the first 2 methods, but there is still a solution. We protect the damaged slate around the hole's edges about 40 by 40, then wash everything the same way with soapy water. Next, you need to mix the adhesive that is used for reinforcing foam plastic. You can also use tile adhesive. You need to mix the adhesive so that it turns out about the consistency of sour cream. Now take a piece of some kind of fabric and soak it in water. To be continued. Soak the fabric thoroughly in a bucket with glue. For a whole sheet of slate, you need to lay down a film first, then put the glue-soaked fabric on top of it. Smooth out the fabric well and place the reinforcing mesh on top. Use a brush to coat the mesh with glue. Here's the result we got. Now we wait for the glue to dry. After 2 days the glue has dried and gained strength. Now we climb onto the roof and apply foam glue to the damaged slate. After applying glue, we place a knife on the homemade slate and press firmly. Screw 3 self-tapping screws into each side of the slate's edges. After screwing in the self-tapping screws, we coat the slate with automotive bitumen mastic. It will give the homemade slate a bit more strength, and plus, water definitely won't leak through it. As you can see, you can patch absolutely any hole in the slate, and there's no need to buy any expensive materials. Everything is done very reliably and the roof will never leak. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, goodbye.